Markowitz model, assumptions of Markowitz model. The individual investor estimates risk on the basis of variability of return, correct? What is risk? Risk is a future uncertainty. Uncertainty in this case is like the returns are varied. You cannot expect a certain amount of returns after a number of days, right? For example, end of year one, you would have expected 100 rupees of return. There might be a quite possibility that you might not be able to earn that 100 rupees. It might be 99, 98, or 101, 102. So this variability of return, we call it as risk. That is the first assumption. Second assumption is that the investor's decision is solely based on the expected return and variance of returns only. So if you ask an investor what are the quantifiable or on what basis does he want to invest, he'll just tell you he expects more return and less variance, right? These are the only two constraints or two factors which an investor considers. This is your second assumption. Third assumption is that for given level of risk, investor prefers higher return to lower return. This is very much obvious, right? If risk is 5%, the investor prefers higher return at that given level of risk, at whatever level of risk. If you ask him if he wants to choose higher return or a less return, he would obviously choose higher return. Similarly, if you give an investor a certain amount of return, he would choose lesser risk and not the higher risk. So these are the four assumptions of Markowitz model, which is very important. And so this is the formula to calculate portfolio return. Will solve problems. And similarly, this is the risk formula. This also will be solving problems. Then you will understand how exactly this works. Basically, it's like standard deviation, right? When you're calculating return, it will be basically the average returns, or what we call it as arithmetical mean. While you're calculating return, it will be a standard deviation. So I've taken one example here. So if you consider this table, first of all, while studying Markowitz model or efficient frontier, there is something called as efficient frontier. I want to take up this topic in two parts. First is that I have taken just two securities to create a portfolio. There might be multiple securities in a portfolio, right? There might be 5 stocks, 6 stocks, or 10 stocks, 15 stocks, depending on the scale of your activity. You can actually purchase how many ever securities you want. But in this case, I have initially, to understand this concept, I have taken just two securities. There are two stocks called A and B. If you look at this column, these are the six proportions I've taken. Six proportions. That is a mixture. For example, if you want A security, in the first scenario, if you look at this first scenario, I've taken completely 100% of stock A only, and I've not considered anything from stock B. The expected return remains the same, 12% and 20%. In the next scenario, I've actually considered 0.9 or 90% of stock A and 10% of stock B. Similarly, in the uh, third scenario, I've taken it as 0.759 and 0.241. So I've taken different mixtures of A and B, different proportions of A and B. One thing I missed mentioning is that the expected return of A is 12% and risk is 20%. Expected return of B is 20% and risk is 40%. Now I have taken various quantities or various proportions, different proportions of these two stocks. So if you closely analyze this, there are various returns that will be expected at each scenario. If you consider this, 0.8 or 0.759 of proportion A and 0.241 of proportion B, if we consider, the expected return will be 13.93% and 16.24%. How does this work? This is like 0.759 into 12% plus 0.241 into 20%. So that gives us the actual return of stock, actual return of portfolio number 3. In portfolio number 3, the proportions, it is 0.759 and 0.241 respectively. So there is, similarly you also calculate standard deviation. So if you observe this, here initially the return is very less, the risk is also very less. As you go down, the return is increasing and risk is decreasing. At some point of time, it actually increases, right? It increases drastically. That is, the returns are 16% and risk is 20%. So you can choose which you feel is better or which actually suits your business or your, the individual investor's goal. So now I have taken a graph. This graph is called as efficient frontier. This graph on which all the optimal portfolios lies, we call it as efficient frontier. I have plotted each of the portfolio in different points. Point one is exclusively A. Point two is yeah. These are the different proportions which you have seen in our previous table. So point one, first portfolio which comprises only of A, and last is sixth portfolio which comprises only of stock B. So there can be these various proportions. This runs on this scale. This scale or the graph we call it as efficient frontier. So these are your expected returns and this is your risk. If we plot risk and return for each and every return, you'll actually get this graph or this efficient frontier curve. So this is about your efficient frontier, right? This we have taken only two securities. A portfolio having two securities, right? So in our next session, we'll see multiple securities and its portfolio. Before going to that, I want you guys to be very much careful, and I want you people to understand this. This should be crystal clear in your minds. So I just wanted to break this session into two things. This topic into two sessions, so that first session, if it is clear, only we can go to the next session, right? So I want you guys to be very much clear about this. If there are any doubts or any queries, or if you want me to have a live class also, that's fine. We shall discuss about this efficient frontier. This is very much important from your exam point of view or any investment point of view. So please go through this and let me know if you have any queries. Also, I'll be sharing few other photos on Postomovie app. Please refer to that and let me know if you guys have any queries. So thank you very much.